Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kemisha, aka Island Mommy, and this channel is about motherhood and all that jazz. So, vlogging today, decided to just pick up the camera because I haven't done like a vlog in a little bit. So, I'm vlogging. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning, and Amari is still sleeping. He woke up about after 5 or so this morning, and then he went back to sleep. So I suppose that's why he's still sleeping now. I have some clothes to put in his drawer, but I don't want to go in his room because I don't want to wake him up. I don't know, it just feels like when Amari wakes up, my day officially starts. Like there's just no pause. After that, it just goes till like 11 o'clock at night. There's just no pause. So when he sleeps in late, I don't mind. I just like soak up the little alone time by myself, just do whatever I want, watch video uninterrupted. Like, you guys have no idea how good it feels to just have some time to yourself when nobody's asking you to do anything. You don't have to I don't know, so I'm not going to wake him up because I kind of enjoying my little alone time right now. So but we do have school this morning. Do have school, so or whatever time school, whatever time, because what I do know is I don't do it at a particular time. It's just whatever time of the day that these dogs in the house, like, anyways. So what I'm doing with homeschooling now is I realize that some of the time, like a lot of time, no, when in the morning part I'm not feeling 200, like I have headache, kind of feel sick, and I just want to sleep, and it's like I just can't function. So I realized that is not like a really good time for me to do school with him. So usually it's about like after 12 we really start anything, and that works for us and stuff. Amar doesn't mind. We just don't do it in the evening because when it gets to the evening, no, he's tired. So yeah, it works for us, and he's doing so well. Like when he wakes up, I'm going to show you like some work in his book that he has been doing and stuff like that. It's just super, like, to see the progress from where he was to where he's at now. It's just, I don't know, it feels, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, it just feels good to know that what I'm doing is working and he's learning, and so yeah. So right now I don't have anything to do because, well, I have to make breakfast, but that's it. I'll make breakfast when he wakes up, and I just have to put away these clothes. So I'm going to show you, and yeah, just gonna watch some YouTube videos, and this damn fly, boom, there, gone. But anyways, yeah. So just come along with us on our day today. I don't know. Alright, guys. So, if you know me, you know how sentimental I am. And as I said, I'm going to show you a little bit of what Amari has been doing. These are from last year stuff. But I'm going to show you his drawings and stuff. This is a lizard. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh wow. This is nice. I like this. This happy face is killing me. Alright, this was from me. Alright, let me go something more recent. Look at, oh, I did a video when he did this. Yeah, I don't know, I just love keeping these things because I just look back and I just think they're just so nice. Look, he's writing his name. He's getting better at this, but I mean, how cool it is to like to have these to look back and be like, oh wow. And even if I could save them until he's a bit older and be like, geez, I'm gonna meet them all of them somewhere. I just think these are really cute and I like keeping stuff, so alright, so this is our house, he said, and then this is the entire planet. So, oh my god. Yeah. This one he says is me and Jason. But yeah. And let me show you his zebra. Oh my god. So, oh, those are our sight words. And I have some more over here. Yeah. JPS just take them light. Can you imagine that? Right in the middle of a good day. JPS has no manners. None whatsoever. So they're outside now anyways though, but Mars says he's riding his bicycle. But the sun hot, so I don't want to go any further than the veranda. Oh, tell that he just drew a map of Jamaica. I'm going to insert the clip here. And I was like, okay, Amari, I see. You can do it, baby. So Amari just drew this and he was like, show me Clarendon. So apparently this is a map of Jamaica, guys. I mean, yeah, you show me Clarendon there. Yes, Clarendon. Okay. You did? That way we help pushing it backwards. No, I think you can do that on your own. Let's get a race. You race first and see how fast you can go. And let's race both. But I don't have a bicycle. You can run with the race. Alright, I'm soon run. I want to see you ride first. Go. You have to pedal and look where you're going. Alright. Come on. I am winning. Come pedal. Push and pedal, Jacon. Come push and pedal. No. You're not pedaling. Push the bicycle and pedal. Pedal. Keep pedaling. Push it and pedal. I'm a little bit hot. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you the sun too hot out here, so no. Yeah, and that's why I'm gonna pedal. I want to go inside because the sun is too hot. And you're sweating a lot. Your birthday hot? Oh my god, guys. Amari's almost 4 years old now. Like, in a little over a week, he's going to be turning 7. The dog. He's going to be, you're about 7. He's going to be 4. Like, he's growing up so fast. Like, all of 4 years old. All of 4 years old. Like, whew. So we're going to be having a little party for him. I'm going to be doing the Blaze and the Monster Machines theme. So I have all those stuff to prep and to start out for his birthday. I'm so excited. He's so excited. It's like, I don't know. It's like the first time that he's really understanding that his birthday is coming up and what his birthday means. Mari, how old are you going to be when your birthday comes?
4.
Huh? How do you feel about your birthday?
I feel happy!
So, what do you want for your birthday?
Toys, birthday cake, chocolate, and everybody.
Everybody? Alright, do you want a party? What type of games do you want to play at your party?
I want to play a bunch of games.
Okay.
And first I have to play piñata.
Piñata?
Yeah. But where is a piñata?
We don't have a piñata.
And we can buy one?
You have money to buy one?
No. But when it's my birthday, everybody can buy a piñata.
Okay. Alright. So you see, he's pretty excited about his birthday. And I hope y'all come with your piñatas because he said that everybody's going to buy piñatas for him. So don't show up without your piñatas, guys. Don't show hot. It's so hot, and then the light is gone, so no fan or anything. So it's not working out so fine.
Cause the electricity is gone.
Yeah. So right now I don't know what we're going to be doing. Because in the house too hot, outside hot, everywhere just hot. And I'm like...
And we don't have enough electricity!
Anyways, I'm going inside. I don't know what I'm going to do now. So when I figure something out, I'll come back on. So
You trick my Eve. What do you want me to say?
that's okay, sir.
Twin.
You have an evil twin? Light come. The light come on, guys. The light come on. I just hear the fan beep. So,
Why you tell everybody about my evil twin?
you told them about your evil twin. You're the one who mentioned it.
I'm not an evil twin. Somebody else is an evil twin.
Kiss
Not
me.
me.
Kiss me.
I'm not the evil twin.
You're the evil twin.
No, somebody else is my evil twin.
Birthday boy?
Birthday boy.
When is your birthday though?
4.
No, when is your birthday?
4.
No, you're going to be 4, but when is your birthday?
22.
What, 22?
November 22.
Oh, okay.
November 22. Not November 22.
There's also something else that I wanted to share. Like, it's a new thing that I'm trying out. I don't know. I like creating things. So there's something that I've been interested in for quite some time, and I finally decided to like take the plunge and you know, test it out. So I'm trying it out, I'm testing it, and just, I just got some of the stuff the other day, and I should get a few more of the things today. So Jason picked up those for me, so he's on his way home, and yes, I'm excited about it, and it's just, I don't know, I just really, really want to try it out and some, and see where it goes from there. But I'm working on a few now, and I just really love it. I don't know, I just love these things, and I just think that is why I'm even into the whole events thing, because I get to create and stuff. So I'm excited about Amari's party. I'm excited about this new venture. It's just, I love these things. I really, really do. But I'm going to show you what I'm working on now. It's with resin, if you know what resin is. So yeah, I'm gonna show them to you, and then what I'm going to do is, when I'm finished tomorrow, I'll just show you a clip of what the final product looks like, right? Because they take a while to set and everything, so I'm going to show you those tomorrow. I'm gonna just show you a clip of what it looks like, but I'm gonna show you the process now. Well, not the process, because I'm basically just waiting for them to set for me to add more things. And anyways, my chat too much, let me show you. So this is me just testing out the few things. I'm waiting on that to dry a little bit so I can put the green, and I'm going to do a little something. So this is just testing. Yay, and I'm excited. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I'm going to be ending today's vlog here. If you like today's video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at AlantMommyJA. I post a lot more over there, especially on my stories. So follow me over there if you want more frequent updates and all that. And yeah, just stay tuned for more content. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them down in the comments below. And yeah, the next one you're supposed to see after this is Amari's birthday vlog, which I'm so excited about. Like, so excited about. But anyways, yes, my baby's turning 4 and I'm super excited. So anyways, bye kids.